Hi, now today we will study how to derive a string from the context-free grammar which is given to us. Now you can see on your screen that this is a context-free grammar which is defined by 5 rules. Rules is a set of productions. The first rule says that S can be replaced with A as A, S can be replaced with B as B, rule 2. S can be replaced with A, rule 3. S can be replaced with B, rule 4. And S can be replaced with epsilon, which is rule 5. Epsilon means empty, null string. Nothing is there. Now this is a context-free grammar for a palindrome. If you see it closely, what are the variables? A grammar is defined by 4 tuples. Now what is the tuple in this grammar? What is a variable in this tuple? What is the production and what is the start symbol? So V over here is S. There is only one variable which is S. T is terminal. So what are the terminals in this grammar? A, B and epsilon. There are 3 terminals. P is the set of production. So what are the productions? These 5 rules are the productions. S is the start symbol which is S in this grammar also. Now suppose I have to derive simply a string AA. So how I have to proceed is I have to start from the start symbol S and I have to replace this start symbol in such a manner that I am able to reach to my derived string which is given in the question. And the string which is required is AA. So how can I reach from S to AA? It's very simple in this example. If you see, if suppose I replace S with ASA by applying rule 1. So S is replaced now with ASA. Now I apply rule 5 and I replace S with epsilon. So the string which I will get is AA, which was the required string which was needed. Now, for example, if I say that I require a string ABA, so what I will do is I will apply rule 1, then I will apply rule 4, and then finally I will apply rule 5. So I will get the required string ABA. This process of getting to the required string starting from the start symbol is called derivation. I hope that the notes which were shared with you before, you are able to solve them, and if you are not able